Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video I would like to give you a tutorial on how to make screen time of application on Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, so sometimes we don't realize that we have been using an application for hours and it really wastes our internet data. So to overcome this one, we can activate screen time to control the duration of application use. Okay guys, so first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone and then you can scroll down a little bit and you can go to app management over there. And then you can go to screen time. You can click for it. So yeah, here's the screen time of your phone. So you can set timers for your app. You can set daily timers for most app. When the app timer ends, then the app is paused for the rest of the day. So here I will set the timer for several applications and I choose this view and I will set for 3 hours only, and then you can click OK, and I will set the timer on one application again, and then I will do the same. Click OK, and yeah, this is screen time for those applications. So when the timer is end up, then the application will not be able to be used for the rest of the day. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to set a screen time of application on Infinix Smart 8, and thank you so much for watching guys.